So this will be a quick video of the Canuck Hunter. You can get it, I got it on sale for $4.99. Comes with 5 chokes, nice case. All the chokes. So that's a cylinder, improved cylinder, full mod, and improved mod. Yeah, it's a nice action. It's pretty heavy, but that could be with everything, but snaps shut real nice. The only thing I'm wondering is, I don't know much about semis, so I don't know what this is. Made in Turkey, so it's, I'm sure, a knockoff of something, but I don't know what. So over here, hopefully you can see it, the gas system, it has 2 gas seals. So there's a light load back here, and hold on, I can spin around. The one that's actually in here right now, pull the barrel off, you just swap them out, is heavy. So I'm wondering what other shotguns use that kind of a setup, because a lot of the ones I've seen online is it's just one or the other. If you want the heavy load, you pull the light load out, put in your heavy, reassemble, and it's good. I haven't seen any that use 2, like you know, to change this, you would just, if you want to do target loads or something like that, you would pull this out, reverse them, and put it back. So then the heavy load would be down here, and the light load would be up in here. So hopefully somebody out there knows what this is modeled after. In there, it has the magazine stops, so nothing else comes back up. But yeah, safety in the back, triangular safety. That's a stock. So the insert almost looks like a Benelli style insert. The butt pad is rubbery. It's not soft by any means, but that's plasticky, so it's not like a gel pad or anything like that. And then put this back together. Looks like it's gonna hopefully be a nice little goose gun for me. But yeah, I want to start digging into it, but I'm not sure what I'm going to run into for this assembly. It can't be that complicated, but it'd be nice to get an idea as to what this is a copy of, so that I can just look up the original and how to work on the original and just transpose that information into this one. So yeah, cheers.